Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Chanel and welcome to Pray, Plan, Repeat. On this channel here, we not only talk about praying, living the right way, and planning, okay? Because I love my planners. If you've been with me for a while, then you guys know that I love my happy planner. Well, we also do organization. Sorry, y'all. I'm on my tiptoes. Let me stand correctly. I love to organize, and I always have to reorganize my pantry right here, you guys. Now, I'll go ahead and show you guys a quick little clip of how all this is looking, y'all. I'm pretty sure you probably already saw it already. But yeah, this is my pantry, and it needs help, y'all, okay? So, I bought some stuff this stuff right here in my hand, I might actually use them for my drawers. And these are just plastic containers and stuff I picked up at Walmart. Honestly, you guys, I picked these up probably about 3 weeks ago. They've been sitting in this bag on the floor since. Yeah, and I picked up some of these from Walmart. I know I could have picked them up at the Dollar Tree, but the Dollar Tree didn't have enough of the ones I needed, and they were not white, and I wanted white for my drawers. Then I'm also going to be using items I already have organization-wise that I already possess in my house. Okay, I got this. Yeah, I actually bought this. This is a kitchen thing. I think I got this from Ross, TJ Maxx or something. I don't know. I've had this for a couple years, but I was actually using this in my makeup drawer, and I'm not using this for my makeup no more, so you guys. So I am going to be cleaning it to use it, and more than likely in one of my drawers in my kitchen. I found these at the Dollar Tree. I think I got these from my makeup drawer, y'all. I can't remember right now. And then I found these big, beautiful baskets here at home. Yeah, at home. The store is called At Home. Sorry, you guys. But yeah, this was the first time I ever been in that store, and I walked out with this stuff. So yeah, I wanted something a little different, you know, more spring colors and stuff. So we are going to pull everything out and see what I can do with this pantry. of forgot I was filming this video and me and the boys went to McDonald's. So I kind of put everything away already. Well, almost everything. So I'm gonna show you guys what I did, how I organized it. So we can start at the bottom. Well, I'm gonna show you the whole thing and then I'll start at the bottom, okay? So down here in this basket here, I have my big bottle of vegetable oil, my pancake mixes. There is extra napkins, there's Capri Suns, there's some paper towels, and in this other blue one here, this other little basket, I have the cereal right here. Reason being is because there is some small people that cannot reach the cereal if I put it at the very top shelf. So it's just a lot easier this way. Then I have my refills for my zero water to exchange it so we can purify our water and stuff. Then this row here, sorry guys, I don't have an extra light, but in this little basket right here, I kind of tell you guys what's in there. There's salsa, there's stuff for Asian dishes, there's jelly, there's honey, and there's barbecue sauce. Then I have my big roll of seal wrap that I picked up at, I can't remember right now, but I picked it up before I left California. And I still have it. Then I put one loaf of bread right here. The rest of it, of course, is in the freezer. In this basket here, we don't have a lot of canned goods, but this is where all my canned goods are living. As you guys can see, there is a lot of room in there for more canned goods to fit. Now, I know this, I probably should have spray painted it like a pretty color or something, but y'all, I loved how all the baskets fit in here, but I have to remember, I have to be practical. I had to put this back in here, you guys. So for those of you that are new and don't know what this is, I have 3 kids, okay? To be precise, I have 3 boys. So they all have their own snack drawer, and I refill the snacks every 2 to 3 weeks. I count how many snacks there is in here, then I add more in there, and this time around this should last for 3 weeks. 1 snack a day, that's my rule. Unless it's popcorn. I don't know if you can see, but we have popcorn back there. We have my bread, some small flour tortillas. Right up here, this is where we keep the buns and the big burrito tortillas right here on top of this. And then I changed this up. Usually this condiment thingy is up higher. This has the boys' big regular ketchup, spicy ketchup from Whataburger, their peanut butter, their syrup, and an extra bottle of ranch. There's already one in the refrigerator. Up here in this basket, I have all my boxes. So we got some cinnamon swirl, there's some stuffing back here. We got some crackers. Then I have 1 mashed potato, some salt, and I love my dried tomatoes, you guys. Then in this little cute little tiny basket. Oh, by the way, if I didn't mention earlier, I got all of these baskets from At Home. I have my tea, I have some hot chocolate. What is this? I don't remember what this is. Oh, cornmeal, okay. And then I have my oatmeal. I'm the only one that eats oatmeal. And back here, that's where I'm keeping my dried beans, okay? Because, yeah, it's just a lot easier for me to reach. Over here, and this one, I have all my pastas and my rice, like my open big thing of rice. I already have my rice container on my counter, and yeah, on my kitchen counter by the stove. Then I have like extra pasta. So that's all that's right in here. Now, in this one up here, this here is panko breadcrumbs. I have my beef flavoring. There's a chicken one. This is some onion, like the onion thing you guys, people use around holiday time for green bean casserole. Then I have another one of my chicken seasonings back there. This one, that pink one right there, you guys, hope you guys can see that. It's basically all the chips, tortilla, nacho, chips. And then this basket here, we got some cookies. Those are from Valentine's Day, but because they're airheads, I'll let them boys eat, have candy. We got open thing Chex Mix. We got granola bars and fruit by the foot up there. So you guys, this is my pantry all cleaned up. I like the colors. It makes, more inviting. It's just this right here. It's white, but my pantry is practical and I use this. This is the must I have to have, okay? Woo, let's try this again. This is a must have. If you guys have kids and they're old enough to understand that they can only take one snack a day and it has to last a certain amount of days, then I suggest you guys do a system like this where each of your kids have their own drawers. Yes, my kids do trade with each other. Yes, sometimes I got kids that will take from another child's drawer and won't say nothing about it. But the thing is, I count on a nightly basis, so I know what each child should have left. Normally, this one right here will forget to grab him a snack. So a lot of times he has more snacks than the rest of them. But I always make sure whenever I refill, he still gets the same amount that these two do, even though he forgot. So I try to make it as even as possible, you guys. And then I kept the bread, so that way the little one can just be able to grab the bread. And then there's all their ketchup and stuff like that. But yeah, this is my pantry. I like it. I would really, that's my pancake grill thing, y'all. I would really love to add extra shelving. Here, let me show you. These extra shelving, they're just clear shelvings I got from Amazon. But I'm not trying to pack this pantry that full. It's pretty full already. It could be fuller, let's be honest, it really could. Because we are a family of 5 with 3 boys. So, but yeah, that's all I want to share with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you're interested in watching any more videos from me in the future, please go ahead and make sure you're subscribed and your bell notification is on. And I will talk to you guys again soon. Bye.